Let's see how she wrapped it.
The beams on the floor. I think the way we're going to go about it is lay the beams down and then make sure they're all squared up and then drill those bolts. Get the bolts in. But I do real quick want
Yeah, boy.
the chalk line in the center of all of these.
She wrapped this like a retard. Yes, she did. Is this a retard wrap?
Within 5 inches or something like that. So let's frickin' see. I actually have no idea how this is going to go. I want to say that it's going to be like perfect, but now that we're about to do it, I'm actually a little bit freaked
I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay, guys, scratch that. I'll let you guys know when we got the beats, and then we'll figure it out.
Another retard wrap.
Payments come through, so I'm going to do some cleanup and organization.
God, this fucking eBayers, bro. They just wrap shit willy-nilly like a bunch of fucking retards. Another fine retard wrap. There you go. Just wrapped it like a fucking retard. Just fucking retards. Who's got insurance? Like, I don't want the fucking insurance. I want the Voss. The bird Voss. Oh, yes. Let's see if it made it.
Okay, guys, check it out. The generator is charging this battery. This battery is charging this battery. This battery is charging this battery, and this one's charging this one.
I don't know how the
This
fuck
guy
it made
right
it.
here has a USB port,
Without being
2
broken, but it
USB-C
made it.
ports, and 5 AC ports.
Pretty
So
fucking amazing.
this actually has the most amount of AC ports. And
Made that Grace
now
Nell
we can just
Hewell.
charge up basically one whole system instead of having to charge them all individually. Now we have everything
I don't know about this
plugged
rusted
in
ass chain.
that we ever need to plug in. And we
Don't
still
know if
have
that
one
was
more AC
original.
port
Could be.
available for anything. Probably charging tools. I should actually probably, yeah.
That right there. You made it.
Okay, actually, for some reason that Blue Eddie's not charging. It always usually does.
A one of a kind Grace
I
Nell
found the
Hewell.
problem.
This is probably like her first birdhouse she made. Chips. It's gonna have a couple chips from this fucking retarded chain, I'm guessing. His name Chip is used. It's made in 92.
Alright, it is not working. It looks like
It's not shattered.
got back in it, but wow. Not working. So that's getting 1400
There's
watts,
something
pushing
flopping
out
around on the
1300. This
inside.
one's getting 1300, pushing out 12. This one's getting 12, pushing out 12. And this one is just getting 12.
There's stuff,
So now
there's critters, there's things inside of
This
it.
whole thing charged up. This bad boy will last us.
There's a piece of newspaper and a bumblebee fell
Now I
out
want
of
to
it.
get these solar panels hooked up and plugged into that first Blue Eddy so that the sun can charge it up.
There you go.
It'll last way longer.
Grace Nell Hewell. It looks totally different. I can't even see it. So when I'm looking at it through the camera, I can see the blue right here. But it's not really standing out in this lighting. The lighting I'm under is this weird fluorescent lighting, and it's not good, but you can see that blue streak right there. That's pretty bitchin'.
Now it's cloudy outside, so it's only
You just don't even see that in that just shitty light that I'm under.
Can't hurt. The sun came out, and we are getting 400 watts now from the solar panel.
But yeah, man, it looks good. I'm
That
really
is
stoked that I got
substantial.
this.
This one's at 43. I think this one's at 100. Yep.
It's got the snake headed and everything. Alright, Grace Nell Hewell, 1992, I think one of her first birdhouses.
Well, we got everything cleaned cleaned up.
Peace.
And